All right, so you probably heard about ChatGPT by now. It's the new big trend, the new big hype, and especially when it comes to AI, it's blowing up right now, and for good reason. It's the Google killer, and you can basically, if you haven't heard about it, you can basically type in anything. You can ask it to write anything for you: captions, song lyrics, for your favorite food recipe, a poem, book, whatever you want. So. It's a great tool for content creating, and it's a great tool for creating good blog articles. Now, ChatGPT is limited. It's limited in that way that it can only provide you with information up to 2021. So up to 2021, it can provide you with information. After that, it's basically just guessing. The thing is, there's a tool out there that is much better than ChatGPT, and people don't know about it. Why is that? It's because ChatGPT has become so hyped. Now, I call this the ChatGPT Killer. When people will find out about this tool, they will definitely start using it. As soon as I discovered it and started to use it, I never looked back at ChatGPT. Now, what is this tool called? It's called Writesonic. And the straight up competitor to ChatGPT is ChatSonic, and that's a part of Writesonic. So let's take a look at it. This is it, all right? So what it is that it's a platform where you can do a lot of different stuff. Now you see here, so you have this ChatSonic that I just mentioned, a chatbot like ChatGPT, but with real-time data, image, and voice research. So that's something that ChatGPT can't do for you. Now, what does Writesonic have more than just answering your questions, giving you great captions, blog articles, copywriting, and so on? For example, AI article writing 4.0. It's a great tool. Paragraph writer, instant article writer. You have this thing here that creates Facebook ads for you. It doesn't create the images and things, but it creates the perfect selling caption that you need for your Facebook ad, for your Google ad, link ad, and so on. Email subject line, cold emails. I use this a lot to contact leads that have gathered that don't know me. I use this one a lot. It's very, very useful. We have e-commerce tools for products descriptions and much more. Then you have tools for social media. So let's say you want to write a great caption for Twitter. You use the Twitter threads. Link post version 2. LinkedIn post version 2. Instagram captions, and so on. Now, and here you can generate trending Instagram hashtags as well. YouTube descriptions. Super. I use this a lot. Intros and so on. YouTube hooks. You have TikTok video description. Like, guys, you can do all of this in ChatGPT. You can write, please. For example, what I used to do, I used to write when I wanted a great YouTube script. I used to write, please generate good video script on the topic how to make money online, for example. Why I say please is because you never know, these bots, these AI things might take over the world someday in the future, and I want to be on a good stand with them. So it's my paranoid brain, right? But anyways, so with that said, why I'm using ChatSonic to do this instead of ChatGPT is because when ChatSonic does this, for example, if I want a Twitter caption, Instagram caption, instead of writing to ChatGPT, please generate this caption for me. And when I do it here, this AI bot, it's streamlined to create captions. So it will focus on creating as good captions as possible. And when doing those captions, it takes information until this date, right? So it can give you information about stuff that was a couple of hours ago, comparison to ChatGPT that doesn't have information more than 2021, right? So that's why we used Writesonic. Writesonic's better when it comes to this. Website copy, guys. We do landing pages, complete landing pages on Writesonic, and I will show it to you. Tone changer, make your own AI. And that's basically you train Writesonic to write exactly what you wanted to write. You know, song lyrics, guys. Yeah, like you can become a top liner, or you can start making your own songs now. And that's that. You know. So what's the deal with Writesonic? Writesonic is not free. That's the thing. But if you want to pay for it, so let's say you choose a monthly plan. First and foremost, you got to understand you have a free trial version. The free trial version, you can use ChatSonic as much as you want. So ChatSonic is the thing that I call the ChatGPT Killer. It's basically the same thing as ChatGPT, but the difference is it has information until today's date. All right, and that one you can use it for free. And with all the other tools that I showed you, you can use 2,500 words for free. All right. When you want to use more than that, you got to pay. So, what's the prices? Let's say I want a monthly subscription plan and I'm happy with 19 words. That's 19 bucks a month. So that's kind of cool. That's a cool deal. And I got the link below in the description if you guys want to try out Writesonic. Remember, you got the free trial, so you don't have to pay for it or anything. Use this free one so that you can get familiar with it and see if this is something that you want to invest 19 bucks per month into. So, with that said, let's jump into Writesonic. All right. Let's start by looking at AI article writer. This thing is just dope. Thing you have to do is you have a great tutorial here that explains everything, but I'm gonna go through the basics with you. So first thing you need is a topic, of course, right? So let's say is the new big thing in 2023. So this kind of article will be very not difficult. You basically can't do it in ChatGPT because the information is too new. It's 2023. Now we want to search keywords, and it will generate some keywords. And all the article it writes are SEO friendly. That is very important. If you generate something from ChatGPT, you're gonna have to use some kind of paraphrasing tool because those articles will be detected as AI content by Google and other platforms, and you will have to use some kind of SEO tool, keywords searcher for to add proper keywords to your article. In here, in the Writesonic, you get everything included. So look at this. So what you see here first is volume. This is approximately how much a certain keyword has been searched in the last month, in the past month. This KD stands for keyword difficulty. This is approximately how difficult it is of attaining a top 10 rank with this keyword in organic search engine results. 91, this one is red. This one is very difficult. All right. AI universe, very difficult. GPT-4 was quite easy. Quite okay volume and quite easy. So we use that keyword for sure. If we can choose a tone of voice in the article, right? What do we want to have? We want to have, I will choose an engaging voice for this one. First person, yes. So as you guys can see, you can put a call to action. And in this case, we don't need any call to action. We go like this. You choose what language you want to use this in, you want to write this in. And as you see, you can have it in different languages. This is also a major, major benefit of Writesonic. With this done, let's generate some ideas. Now we got 3 ideas. GPT-4 and the AI revolution. Why AI will be the next big thing. Unlocking the potential of GPT-4. A glimpse into AI revolution of 2023. Unlocking the potential of GPT-4. How artificial intelligence is revolutionizing 2023. Well guys, what you think? I'll take the first one. Boom. And now we wanted to generate outlines on the first one. So that's what it's gonna do. Generate outlines. So we have the first topic done. Now we're waiting for the outlines to be generated. And here we got them. Let's see which one we want to choose. All right, so after going through these 3 different types of outlines, if I can press regenerate if I'm not happy with any of these, but I'm happy with this last one here. I'm going to take that one. Generate article, please. It took it about 30 seconds, 30 to not even 40 seconds, 30 seconds to generate this article. Let's see what it did for us. 2023, GPT-4 and the AI revolution. Why AI will be the next big thing. All right. It generated this image for us. Love it. Looks very interesting. And here's the article. And it looks very good from what I can see so far. Wow. Love it. Love it. Love it. This is really good. Guys, look. This is a class A professional article written completely by Writesonic. This thing is really good. Now, I can edit the article with our Google Docs like Sonic Editor. Now, I like this article, so what I will do is I will save this article. And how do I do that? Share your document, and I can share it as a Microsoft Word document, PDF, HTML, and I can share it directly to and publish it on WordPress if I like to. And that's actually really dope. Publish it on Zapier.com. I want to take it down as a Microsoft Word document. Now, we've done a good ass article on this YouTube video tutorial on how to get started with this thing. So next thing I want to show you guys is landing page generator. First, you want to give your landing page a name. I call it the AI revolution and digital entrepreneurship. Same thing here. Now, let's generate this landing page and see where we'll land. The document title is the AI Revolution and Digital Entrepreneurship. Project name is the AI Revolution and Digital Entrepreneurship. Same thing. Description: the AI Revolution and Digital Entrepreneurship webinar that shows you tools and methods to start creating an online income today with the help of AI and the financial markets. All right. So that's a quick description. Why I use the project name in the description as well is because Writesonic requires you to start the description with the project name. Very important. If you don't do that, everything you have put in here will be lost. Features: 1. Leveraging AI in the financial markets. 2. Leveraging AI to create multiple streams of online income. 3. Leveraging AI to become a social media monster. Language: you can choose whatever you want. Like you have all these kind of different languages, and it's all everything from Swedish to Polish to Spanish, whatever you want. Quality type, we go for premium, of course. And now what we do is we press generate and see where we land at. What kind of landing page will we land at? And let's see how long time this takes. All right, cool. So it took about 5 seconds. And this is what we got. The first example is this. So it gave us 3 options. The first option is this: get started with AI in the financial markets to create an online income. Like it. I like it. All right, cool. Join this webinar and learn how to use AI tools and methods to start creating an online income today. Very interesting. Okay, cool. And here it has given us some more content into this. Unlock your digital income potential with AI. This is the different headers. Unlock the power of AI and financial markets. Build multiple streams of income with AI. And it has some very good content in here. I like this. This one is good. Unlock the power of AI to dominate social media. I like this. This is very good. Let's look at number 2 and 3. Harness the power of AI and the financial markets for digital entrepreneurship. The third one is unlock your potential with AI and digital entrepreneurship. Now, this is like everything else with Writesonic. You can press regenerate to get new landing pages. I actually like these 3, and I think I like the number 1 first, so I think I will go and stick with that one. Now, I will give you one more example of the power of Writesonic, and that will be with Facebook ads. Of course, we want to do Facebook ads. So now we want to make an ad for the landing page that we just created, this webinar that I'm going to do. We want to do an ad for that. So what we're going to call it? Of course, we're going to call it the same thing as the topic of the webinar. Get started with AI and the financial markets to create an online income. The problem with this one is Facebook won't allow it. It will break the rules of advertising on Facebook. So Facebook won't allow. You cannot write anything about creating online income or anything like that. So it has to be more low key, so to say. So with that said, let's go for the third one. Unlock your potential with AI and digital entrepreneurship. So I'm actually press regenerate to get some more landing pages, more examples of landing pages, and see if I get something better that will fit better for the Facebook ad. As I said, it's a sensitive business to advertise on Facebook. You cannot not write anything you want to, so you got to be careful with it. Unlock the potential of AI and financial markets with digital entrepreneurship. So I actually like this one, but I would change it. Unlock the potential of digital entrepreneurship and financial markets with AI. All right, so what I would do, I would go for this first one. I would just rewrite it, as I said before. Now let's go to the Facebook ad thing and write the product service name. Unlock the potential of digital entrepreneurship. All right, cool. So the name of the document, the title of the document is AI and digital entrepreneurship webinar. All right, and then it's unlock the potential of digital entrepreneurship and financial markets with AI, and the product service description is exactly the same. So we will see what kind of it's no special occasion, no Black Friday, no promotion, no nothing. So we will see what kind of ad it will generate for us. All right, so it generated these three examples for us, and I'm actually gonna go with the first one. Are you ready to unlock the potential of digital entrepreneurship and financial markets with AI? Our AI-driven tools empower entrepreneurs to take control of their financial futures, maximize your success, minimize your risks, and take your business to the next level. Try our AI-based solutions today and experience the power of digital entrepreneurship and financial markets. I like this one. I'm going to go with this one. Share your documents, download as Microsoft Word. Thank you very much. I'm going to download them as PDFs as well. And that is it. So with that said, you guys see the power of Writesonic. It's incredible. You can do a lot. Like you can streamline your workflow so much with this tool. Like this tool is gonna help you tremendously, especially if you are an digital entrepreneur, if you are working with social media, with blogs, video scripts. You guys saw it, even songwriting, emails. Like this one helps you answer emails. And with that said, be successful, be prosperous, and I'll see you on the next one. Bless.